Hi everybody, this video is in response to David McDonald's request for a video showing you how to taper your trousers from the crotch to the knee. And hang in to the very end of the video because I have a tip regarding how to deal with the creases in your pants. There are a couple of ways to determine how much you need taken up in the leg area. And one of them is to put your pants on, reach down and pinch out the amount you need from the inseam. And the other way is if the thighs of your pants are too big, then I'm assuming the crotch of your pants hang a little low. Not for sure, but if the crotch hangs low, this is what you would do. You would put your pants on, reach behind you, and pinch out the amount that you need to bring the crotch up to where you want it on your body. You take a pin. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just pinch enough to where the crotch of the pants sits where you want them to against your body. And then you mark where your pin is. I don't know if you can see that. Then take the pin out and you'll have your two marks. And this is about 1.5 inches. So you're going to take your pants, turn them inside out. Determine where the knee is, and it's somewhere basically in the middle, the mid length of the leg. So we're just going to put it here. And half of 1.5 inches is 3/4. So from this seam, you're going to go in and measure at 3/4. From this line, take your ruler all the way up to the crotch seam, up to the crotch seam, and then taper it out at the knee right here. If you need more taken up in the thigh, then go ahead and take it up as much as you need, and then bring it down here to blend with the original inseam down at the knee area. And I kind of messed that up a little bit, so I'm going to redo it. Okay. If you use this chalk, you could either cross out that one, which is what they tend to do in the shop, or you can go over that with the iron and dissolve it. So this is going to be your new stitching line. So now what you're going to do is take out this area right here. Don't forget to mark the other leg. I'm not going to do both legs in the video. But I will do the alteration on both legs. I just won't record it. So we're going to take out this section a little past that line, the chalk line, on both sides. And then you'll have to take out this whole black piece here, just up, you know, where it's away from the area that we need to sew. Okay, so from here, on this leg and the other, you're just going to take it to the machine, start here, and follow your chalk line all the way up. Okay, here's my chalk line, and I'm just going to sew from the knee all the way up to the crotch. Okay, now that that's sewn, you need to take out this original seam all the way down to the knee and then take it to your ironing board and press it open. Okay, I did the other leg. I took it over to the ironing board and I pressed it all open. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like when you're finished pressing it open. You can see how you have these areas that just look a little different. Because I only took up what ended up being like 1.5 inches, it's not that different at the end. See, you see it's a little bit off right here. So this is the back, this is the front. So what you need to do is press it open and then make sure they're lying flat, and you're going to restitch this line. So you need to make sure that it clears, and it will, because that's where it needs to come down, at least from there. So follow this original stitching all the way here, and it comes up and meets with this original stitching. So at this point, that's all you need to do. Sew that back up and put this back on. So let's get this done. Just make sure as you're stitching that you reach under and make sure everything is smooth underneath. Okay, so this crotch seam is closed up. Now you're going to open this area and you're going to sew that part. I don't know what this is called. A lining to the zipper, whatever it's called. You're going to sew this down on this side and then sew it down on this side. And I'm not going to worry about this here because you want to leave this in here unless it's just too much, because if you gain and then lose and then gain, and you'll have fabric to work with. You don't want to cut it off and then go, oh, you know, I gained weight and I need that room back. So I'm just going to leave it there. And with the machine, I'm going to sew it down. And turn it around and do the other side. Okay, and that is it. You just have to clear up these threads, just snip those off, and that's what it looks like. Now, if you're concerned about the creases down the center of your pants being off, you can get a spray bottle with distilled white vinegar and spritz the crease, and then with your iron press it out and then redo your creases, or you can take them to a dry cleaner and have them do it for you. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it if you would like to see more videos like this, and hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload more videos. Thank you. Bye.